This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. Very nice accessible corner lot with 0.53 acres. Centrally located. You are minutes away from downtown Sherman with easy access to Highway 11 via First Street and Highway 75 via Houston Street. Great open floor plan to enjoy your time with your family and friend, awesome entertainment space. Please have your favorite agent schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.